Are you putting your business at risk in 2020? You may not think so, but you could be if you're using Microsoft products reaching end of support next year. Microsoft won't provide security updates for popular business tools after January 2020. This affects you if you're using Windows 7 as your laptop or desktop operating system, or you're relying on 2010 Microsoft Office for Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Maybe your business server is running Windows Server 2008 R2 or Small Business Server 2011. Perhaps Exchange 2010 controls your email and calendars. If so, this news is a big deal. It's like pest control. Microsoft was helping your IT team keep cybercriminals at bay. In 2020, they're going to stop trying to identify and fix any vulnerabilities. You might want to take your chances and stick with the Microsoft products you already have. If you do, you'll run the risk of costly data breach, malware infection, or other cyber threats. Instead, think of this as an opportunity to do business even better. Upgrading your Windows products means working with faster tools offering improved functionality, like the cloud-based Office 365, which lets users access email, calendar sharing, and files in real time from any device, wherever they are. Don't wait to secure your PCs from cyber creepy crawlies. Our latest ebook explains what's happening and what your business can do to stay safe in 2020. Download it today using the link below.